Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you all to a wonderful super duper video on IELTS writing. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to read and identify your writing task. Number one. Number two, how to plan, how to structure your writing. So this video is all about IELTS writing, and I'm going to tell you all these things in the next 10 to 12 minutes. And after watching this video, you will be clear about IELTS writing, okay? Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I want you to become a subscriber, and then you will get all the notifications, and you and I, we will stay this way. We will stay this way forever and all that, okay? Now guys, let's see. As far as IELTS writing is concerned, there are two tasks. One is essay writing for everybody. One is report writing for academic IELTS. One is letter writing for gender training IELTS only. Academic IELTS is for education, for studying abroad. Gender training IELTS is for immigration purposes, okay? So you should be clear about it. And then we have UKVI. UKVI is mainly for UK. If you're planning to study in UK, you need work permit in UK, you need IELTS UKVI, which is 100% same, only there are cameras during the test and all that, okay? Now, let's talk about writing task 2, which is the most important one. When you read the topic, first there is the topic statement. Topic statement will tell you the ins and outs of your essay. Ins means what you have to add, and outs means what you do not discuss in your essay, because one of the marking criteria for your essay writing is task response. Task response means how thoroughly you cover the topic. Task response means 250 words minimum for task 2, 150 words minimum for task 1. This is what we call task response. So, there is that topic statement. You need to understand, in IELTS, topics are not given like one word topic. In IELTS, we have topic sentence. Topics are given in statements. For example, smoking should be banned at all the public places. Now, topic is not smoking. Topic is not public places. Topic is not ban. Topic is ban on smoking at all the public places. Now, if you write a wonderful essay on smoking, you will get very low band score because you will not meet task response, okay, which is very important. If task response is not met, they don't care about your vocabulary, grammar, coherence and cohesion, and they give you 1 band for that, okay? So, important point, you need to understand the topic is ban on smoking at public places. So I will write an essay, and then they give you that statement, the next sentence, which tells you the type of essay you are going to write. For example, they write, smoking should be banned at all the public places. How far do you agree or disagree with this statement? You understand, okay, this is an opinion essay. Right? Second, they say, what are the advantages and disadvantages of smoking at public places? Now, this is advantages, disadvantages essay. So, this last sentence of your essay topic will tell you what type of essay you have to write, and then you need to decide on a layout, on a structure, or a sketch of your essay. There will be a certain number of paragraphs, and you got to write accordingly, okay? So once you are clear about the topic, you know what are the ins and outs. Now, if my topic is ban on smoking at public places, I will not discuss smoking only. I will discuss ban on smoking. I will connect it with public places. This is what I am supposed to write, okay? Right? I'm clear about the topic. And second, when they say, how far do you agree or disagree? So I know it's an opinion essay, so I'm going to focus on that. So you should be clear about the topic. Once you are clear, you're going to write your essay, and in order to tell you about your essay, you need to look at my hand, introduction and conclusion. This is introduction, this is conclusion, and introduction and conclusion, they are going to be relatively shorter than your body paragraphs. Okay, here we have 3 body paragraphs, 2 or 3. Now, when you write your essay, first you write introduction, and then you need to decide whether I'm going to cover the topic in 2 paragraphs, which is fine. 3 paragraphs, which is perfectly all right. 4 paragraphs, it can be lengthy. 1 paragraph, it's not going to be enough. So you need to write minimum 2 paragraphs. Maximum, you may write 3 paragraphs, but you are not awarded the band score on the number of paragraphs that you write. They see what is written in those paragraphs that gives you the band score. So, your writing introduction, very simple. In introduction, you can write 3 sentences. First, a general sentence about the topic. If the topic is ban on smoking at public places, so you write a general sentence about smoking. These days, whenever you go to any park or a restaurant, you see people smoking cigarette, vape or cigar. Okay, something like this. So what is this? A general sentence about the topic. Next, you are going to elaborate the topic, right? Whether smoking should be banned at all the public places or not has become a controversial issue these days. All right. So what is this? This is paraphrasing the topic. In this, I strongly believe that. Now, third sentence is your opinion. And by the way, third sentence is called thesis sentence. This third sentence tells the examiner the type of essay you are writing. For example, if I say, in this essay, I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of smoking at public places. It means I'm writing advantages, disadvantages essay. In this essay, I will discuss the causes of smoking at public places and how to resolve this issue. This is problem solution essay. And if I say I strongly agree with the statement that smoking must not be allowed at any public place, and in this essay I will discuss my opinion with examples or anything like that. Okay, so third sentence is called thesis sentence. In the third sentence, you actually tell the examiner the type of essay you are writing. Now I'm going to tell you how to develop your body paragraphs. Very simple and straightforward. Remember, in IELTS, they will not give you a bench score that you have written so many ideas. You're writing advantages, disadvantages essay, 10 advantages, 20 disadvantages. Problem solution essay, 25 problems and 25 solutions. No, they need 2 to 3 well-developed ideas. So whenever you have your opinion, behind your opinion you have a reason. That reason is called argument. So in the body paragraph after introduction, you will write argument number 1. First of all, passive smoking is as deleterious, harmful, dangerous, injurious as active smoking, right? So first present your first argument. Second, elaborate that. By this I mean, and then elaborate that point. Then, for example, for instance, give a relevant example. Therefore, I strongly believe that smoking should not be allowed at any place where people are likely to come. See that? In 5 sentences, I have actually written all that, right? So, for first, your main argument, elaborate the main argument, give a relevant example and conclude. Now, you can give example in 2 sentences. You can elaborate in 2 sentences. It's all up to you, okay? Next body paragraph, you will do the same. This paragraph is what we call contrast. If you're writing an opinion essay, advantages outweigh drawbacks, positive, negative development, whatever. This paragraph is basically the other side. Now you can say, however, some people believe that without smoking, people may have indigestion problem. Right? Some smokers cannot live without smoking. They may have migraine or indigestion or anything like that, okay? So you're going to write it and that should be written according to third person. Some people believe. And then you can say, however, some people believe, but I do not agree with that. So you need to show the opposite side of the coin, the other side of the coin, and you must say, I do not agree with that. Right? This is called contrast paragraph, and finally you write conclusion. In conclusion, once again, you restate your opinion. You restate the 2 points, 2 arguments which support your opinion, and then you can say something about the topic, and this is how you close your essay. 250 words should be written. If it is computer delivered IELTS, you can see all the words, the word count is there, right? So you can easily do that. I have compiled a book on academic and on general training writing separately. This book contains 25 sentences which you can use in your essays. There are 100 words. Right, in the book, there are 8 units for academic, 7 units for general training, and this book covers every inch of writing. I have noticed a noticeable change in the band score of the students after preparing from the book, after using the techniques given in the book, and you know, some of the band scores even surprised me that, okay, that is possible, right? So if you want to get the book, it is available in PDF form all over the world and in printed form in Pakistan. If you want to get the book, you can contact us and I'll give you all the details. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. I wish you your desired band and I want you to fly to your destination country and land there and then send me a message and thank me. Okay, all the best. I teach IELTS online all over the world. And in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service. We have study plans for IELTS preparation. We offer study visa consultancy. So if you want to get any information, you can contact us and we'll give you all the details. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.